Hello and welcome to Come Don. I hope that this joke I'm getting ready to tell you will, bring you a good laugh. There were three fellows, and they were scheduled to be electrocuted in an electric chair. Where the first guy comes up and they set him down, they strap him in, and they pull the switch and nothing happens. Well, the warden was kind of astounded, and he's like, wow, that's like one in a million. And the warden said, well, you're free to go. And then the second fellow came in and they strapped him in and they pulled a switch and nothing happened. And the warden was like, wow, I can't believe that. And he says, that's like one in a billion. So no, he said, you're free to go. And the third fellow came up and he sat down in a chair and they strapped him in. And he called over to the warden and he says, hey, warden. And he says, the problem with the electric chair is you need to plug it in. So I hope you enjoy that. God bless you and you have a good day.